Hi there. In this video, I'm going to share 5 simple ways you can make a difference and give back to your community. Let's get started. First, volunteering your time is a great way to make a positive impact. Whether it's helping out at a local soup kitchen or participating in a beach cleanup, giving your time showcases your passion for making the world a better place. Second, donating items you no longer need can have a huge impact. Clothing, books, or even furniture can be given to charity organizations, helping those in need while also decluttering your own space. Third, consider supporting local businesses and organizations that are working towards a cause you believe in. By choosing to spend your money with these businesses, you are directly contributing to their efforts and helping them make a difference. Fourth, simply spreading kindness and positivity can go a long way. A smile, a kind word, or performing small acts of kindness can brighten someone's day and create a ripple effect of compassion. Fifth and finally, use your voice and platform to raise awareness about causes you care about. Whether it's on social media, through blogging, or by organizing events, your words and actions can inspire others to get involved and make a difference too. Let's recap what we've discussed. 1. Volunteer your time. 2. Donate items you no longer need. 3. Support local businesses and organizations. 4. Spread kindness and positivity. 5. Use your voice and platform to raise awareness. Remember, no matter how small, your actions matter. Together, we can make a difference and create a better world for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.